guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're at Home Depot early in the morning. Yay. We need anything else?
Oh no. Want to build a shelf?
The lamp.
That's what those are for.
Oh.
You wanna?
Yeah, we're getting a bunch.
Wanna build a shelf? Wanna build a porch?
Okay.
We can't paint rooms.
Not yet.
What else?
Not yet. We need a house to do that.
Do we need any tools? Is anything broken in the apartment? I don't think so.
I don't know. Well, while we're here, let's think of stuff and just walk around.
I think we got everything we need.
Well, okay. Guys, second video I've ever done. Yay.
Good morning. Found everything you needed today?
Yes, we did.
Alrighty, I'll help you with this. I'll get a bag going.
Awesome, thank you.
Helping out today on
And-
vacation week. That's pretty fun, right?
Yeah. And guys, so we...
Really? Are you doing a YouTube video right here?
Yes. And,
Oh, I may need to scan that really quick.
oh, okay, there's air fresheners. I'm gonna give a little shout out right here to someone who is very close to me. He is very close to me, and he is actually in the military right now. His name is Andrew Wellington. Make sure you go check out his channel. And yeah, so yeah, we're at Home Depot. We're about to be in the car, and I will cut you, I guess, when we're in the car. So, well, not right now. Yeah, let's just keep on going. I will show you outside. Look at the pretty flowers. But guys, one more thing. Since we're at Home Depot,
You said you have to stop for a call.
okay, ooh, hand sanitizer.
Why isn't this working?
So yeah, I was just updating you guys on what's going on. We're still at Home Depot, and guys, I literally, like, when we first came in here, like, all we need is light bulbs, and then she's like, "You want to build a porch?" And I was like, "Oh yeah, blah blah blah." We're not gonna bring a porch.
It's not even recognizing it. Thank you.
There's a scanner thing. Can I scan myself? That'll be cool. Scan myself. How much am I? What am I? Alright guys, just updating you. A short little
Can you
video.
put that away for a second
So
until we get out of
bye.
the store?